Korea is a beautiful country in East Asia. The capital city is Seoul. Korea has 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. I love spring the most because cherry blossoms bloom and the weather is nice. Korea has many fun places to visit. You can go to Gyeongbokgung Palace, Namsan Tower, and Jeju Island. My favorite places is Lotte World because I love rides and parades. Our food is also amazing. We eat kimchi, bibimbap, tteokbokki, and more. My favorite is bulgogi. It's sweet and delicious. Korean culture is famous around the world. Many people love K-pop, K-dramas, and Korean movies. I like BTS and NewJeans. Their songs make me happy and excited. I am very proud to be Korean. I hope more people around the world visit Korea and learn about our country. Thank you for listening.